Hello everyone, welcome to STDEV. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to calculate a standard error in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet that contains the data you want to analyze and find the standard error for. Now click on an empty cell where you want the standard error result to appear. To calculate the standard error, you have to use this following formula. Start by typing equal sign and write STDEV. Give a first bracket and select the cells and close the bracket. Now put a slash and write SQRT and open parenthesis. Then write count. Again put a bracket and select the entire cells and close the parenthesis. Now press enter. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.